Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Vincent-de-Paul is a fascinating neighborhood in Laval, Quebec. It began its story in 1740 when settlers first arrived in the area. Nestled along the Rivière des Prairies, it's a spot where history meets natural beauty. The neighborhood is known for its picturesque streets lined with charming old homes, some of which have been beautifully renovated into boutique shops and cozy cafes. One of the key landmarks here is the Saint-Vincent-de-Paul Church, built in 1853. It stands on a historic site once known as Coteau de la Pinière, or Pine Hill, because of its abundance of pine trees. This church has been a community anchor for generations and reflects the deep roots of this area. But perhaps the most intriguing part of Saint-Vincent-de-Paul's story is the penitentiary. Built in 1873, it served as Canada's second federal prison and operated until 1989. It was the only francophone correctional facility in the country for much of its history, making it a significant part of Quebec's criminal justice heritage. With its towering stone walls and austere architecture, the penitentiary is now a designated National Historic Site. Today, Saint-Vincent-de-Paul combines its historic charm with a vibrant local culture. Whether you're exploring the old streets, visiting the church, or taking in the view of the Rivière des Prairies, this neighborhood offers something special for everyone.
Thanks for watching!